Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of Amazon finds. Before we dive in, please make sure to like the video, it really helps me a lot. Experience convenient food preparation with the DMOFWE electric garlic chopper. Its powerful 60-watt motor ensures efficient chopping of garlic, ginger, chili, and more. The user-friendly design allows for easy operation: press to start, release to stop. Safety is a priority with BPA-free materials and a magnetic child safety lock. Effortlessly open various containers with this versatile opener. It handles beer caps, bean cans, soda lids, and more. The ergonomic design ensures easy, non-slip operation, with features like a spiral round hole for beer bottles and durable ABS resin construction. Optimize your kitchen organization with the Spice Rack set. Its compact and rotating design saves space while providing easy access to 20 jars of spices. Comes with pre-printed labels, number labels, a chalk pen, and a funnel for hassle-free labeling and filling. Keep your kitchen and living spaces organized with the turntable organizer for cabinets. It smoothly rotates 360 degrees, granting easy access to stored items. Its high rim prevents spills, making it suitable for various uses, from spices to cosmetics. Add style and functionality to your kitchen with the Bamboo Lazy Susan organizer. It features anti-fall edges to secure items and a 360-degree smooth rotation for easy access. Store spices, pantry items, and more neatly. Seal and preserve your food with ease using the electric mason jar vacuum sealer. It's a one-button operation that vacuums air from jars in seconds. This kit includes wide and regular mouth sealers, ensuring compatibility with various jar sizes. Save time and money with the kakulk vacuum food sealer. It offers fully automatic operation with dual sealing modes for different foods. This user-friendly device simplifies meal preparation and ensures long-lasting freshness. Upgrade your can opening experience with the electric can opener. It's designed to handle various can shapes, including soda cans, with ease. The smart device opens cans without leaving sharp edges and requires minimal effort. Maximize your kitchen space with the Collapsible Colander. Its foldable design is ergonomic and space-saving. With a large capacity of 6 quarts, it's perfect for draining pasta, washing fruits, and more. Made from environmentally friendly materials, it's safe and practical. Achieve a spotless kitchen with the Grime-Bister-powered scrubber. Its rotating motion swiftly removes stuff, dirt, and grime from various surfaces. This submersible scrubber is designed for long-lasting durability and comes with replaceable pads and brush heads for added convenience.